Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how you can do something that's actually really useful inside of Premiere and something that you may have to do inside of your video editing career, and this is removing some object from a shot. And in my case it is a flying bug. Let's take a look at what we're working with right here. So you can see right here in this clip from our documentary Electrified, which just came out a couple of days ago, so be sure to check that out. Link will be down below. But in our interview, we had flying bugs in the middle of our camera. So you can see right here we have this black dot. If I go to the beginning of this sequence, you can see the bugs right here, and we can track its progress as it moves around the frame and then it eventually exits the frame. That is really annoying and not something that you want to see in your shot. So we're going to remove that here. So the first thing we need to do is make a mask. What we're going to do is have two masks, one around the person, what we want to keep. So in our case, inside of Premiere, we're going to want to use the crop. So we will go ahead and drop our crop onto here. So now what we want to do is find the point where the flying object, in our case the bug, gets closest as it possibly can to the subject. So that's right about there. So what we'll do is we'll go to our crop and we will just do our free draw. And now we're going to mask around our object. You can do single lines, or we can kind of drag to make a curve if we want as well. It's a fairly simple mask. So if you don't know how to use this pen tool in doing different curved lines, be sure to look up something else that's going to be more of use to you. So now we have our mask. That is all we really need for our person here. So what we're going to do is we're going to do our crop, and as you can see this person disappeared, so we want to invert that. So now we're keeping what's inside the mask and deleting what's outside the mask. So now we're actually going to go ahead and disable this crop real quick, and we're going to find a portion of the video where the bug is gone. That is right here. We want to find this somewhere close in time to where the bug was, in case like the sun changes or something, it's not like 10 minutes later in the clip. So we're just going to right click, add a frame hold. I just cut this portion just for what I'm doing here. You don't have to cut it. You can restore that break if you want to. We'll go ahead and re-enable this crop right here. And what we'll do is we'll go ahead and pull this up one layer. I'm going to unlink this, and then we'll just drag this over here, our still frame, and we'll extend that right there. So now, if we take a look at this, we can see that the bug is now gone. That is it. It is actually really simple and easy. If we turn this on, you can see that it's actually still getting rid of the person. So let's go ahead and delete this mask, this crop, and now everything should look and work good, no issues, and the bug is now gone. That is actually pretty neat. Now, you're going to have to make sure that they don't move at any portion. If they do, you may need to keyframe the mask and so their hand doesn't get cut off, or if you have a teleporting bug, something like that. You can keyframe your mask if you really want to. So this is just a very basic way of doing this. There's many other ways you can do this if you want, but this is actually a really simple, basic, and easy way, and it gets rid of some issues in your clips. I find this incredibly useful. I use this in our movie, and it's super easy to do. So if this video helped you out and you found it useful, feel free to leave this video a like, hit that subscribe button for more videos like this, and be sure to check out our documentary Electrified, the current state of electric vehicles. Thank you for watching as always. This is Mark with AdTech, and I will see you in the next one.